In a world like today's, competitive, active and challenging, it is necessary to be ready to meet the increasing demands of globalization. And that is where we are, taking part in a whole nation's logistic and production chain with effective and efficient solutions. Welcome to Grupo Portuario S.A., a private Colombian port company for public use, founded in 1996, that administers the National Navy's Quay No. 13 in the maritime terminal of Buenaventura, one of the most important ports on the South American Pacific. We are located in the city of Buenaventura, a coastal city on the Colombian Pacific that is very close to the Panama Canal and in the center of the world, as well as being near the main maritime routes that cross the planet from north to south and east to west. The access channel to the port is 21 miles long, with an average depth of 34 feet and complete signalization, which makes it an assembly and exchange point for vessels of over 35,000 tons in any tide condition, and for fourth-generation container ships with a capacity of up to 5,000 TEUs. We are a multi-purpose quay specializing in the handling of bulk solids, loose cargo, automobiles, containers and general freight, together with a large infrastructure and over 15 years experience, all of which makes us your best option on the Colombian Pacific. With a total area of 42,000 square meters and an investment of over $40 million, Grupo Portuario on Quay 13 has a 19,000 square meter approach zone and a 200 meter long quay with 6 mooring bollards, over 10,000 square meters of warehouses for the storage of solid bulk, 8,700 square meters adapted for the stockpiling of coal, 5,000 square meters of sheds for the storage of general cargo, minerals and containers, 600 square meters of offices equipped with all the necessary communication aids for our customers, and 3 weighbridges to keep a strict control of cargo. Just 500 meters away in the former tax-free area, we have a 37,000 square meter lot available for the handling of full or empty containers, as well as for the storage of solid minerals such as coal. Quay 13 has all the necessary technical resources for the comprehensive handling of cargo, thus reaching a high level of efficiency in the loading and unloading of ships, using specialized equipment such as hydraulic container forklifts, excavators, loading machines, goods lifts, dumper trucks and lorries. In 2010, Grupo Portuario acquired a direct transfer system for coal with a capacity of 700 tons per hour. It is the only quay which has this system, which achieves a higher rate of efficiency and reduces the environmental impact, thus making the company more competitive within the sector. Grupo Portuario is part of a corporate group which leading companies of the port sector have shares in. OPP Graneles S.A. specializes in logistic solutions for the loading, mechanized unloading, storage and packaging of bulk solids such as grains, fertilizers, flours and chemical products, among others. It also has storage facilities of over 100,000 metric tons, distributed in silos and warehouses, besides providing an advisory service on logistics and customs procedure. In Atlantic SA, a port operator with over 25 years' experience in the handling of general and export minerals, especially coal, and with a comprehensive service for its customers which goes from production through storage and transport to the loading onto ships by means of specialized equipment, both at a national level and particularly at the maritime terminal of Buenaventura. BGP Containers and Logistics SA, a company which specializes in the transport, storage, shipping, repair and maintenance of all types of full or empty containers at a national level, with an exclusive port-to-door service. It has a large bay where the services of filling, emptying, transport and distribution of merchandise are provided, together with an area for refrigerated and genset containers. All this is demonstrated by a cost-benefit relationship, high security and speed, factors which make all the difference to our customers. We guarantee security with high efficiency in all our operations by using highly qualified staff and 24-hour monitoring systems. That is why Grupo Portuario has obtained the PBIP Security Code certification, the BASC certification, and the certificate for being free from drug trafficking reports issued by the Colombian Narcotics Agency. Grupo Portuario, together with the other companies of the group, is developing different social responsibility programs directed towards education, vaccination campaigns and housing projects for the most deprived parts of the Buenaventura community. We also earmark important financial resources for environmental protection and preservation, as a fundamental part of our responsibility towards the community and our planet. That is why, through the Ética Verde Foundation, we support different environmental projects aimed at the preservation of the country's native rainforests and water resources, thus promoting clean production alternatives that encourage community integration through environment-friendly practices. With this aim, we are constantly working on concrete actions that mitigate the environmental impact of our port operation. But none of this would have been achieved without our most valuable asset, our people. People who are dedicated to their daily work and who, with a high sense of commitment, with each day that passes, give their utmost to our organization's interests and to our customers, as do our commercial partners, who are aware of the great responsibility that our operation implies. That is why, behind every ship that arrives, there is a whole mechanism that we want to go on promoting through our work and efforts, improving day after day with the best infrastructure, the best equipment and the best people. In this way, we are able to offer comprehensive solutions to our customers at the best prices and with the best quality, in the shortest time possible, thus putting ourselves at the level of the greatest ports around the world. We are Grupo Portuario SA, your best alternative on the Colombian Pacific.